All right, let's go there. Let's go there. Let's see what we can do on YouTube today. YouTube. Let's create a live stream on YouTube and let's run this market and let's tell the world why I'm here, why Javan FX is here. All right. I'm still trying to get in to know how to use this stuff anyway, but let me quickly do something right here. It says start recording, and I'll be recording at the same time. Can I use my camera? Yes. Can I use my camera? Let me see. In a jiffy. Okay. All right. Let me quickly see. Hopefully, yes. So nobody is seeing my face on YouTube right now. Okay. But what I want to share with you guys on YouTube briefly is all about Forex course 101. Okay, the beginner stuffs, the foundation, what every forex trader all over the world should know right now. Okay, so let me quickly make use of another chart. Okay, let me make use of another chart so that I can better explain what I'm trying to explain to you guys. All right, so right here we have a trading view. All right, let's go right here, and all right, this is trading view right now. So I'm going to lock my indicators. So this is Euro NZD. So Euro NZD in the market, this is a chaos market. We are not supposed to trade this one, although there's an holiday going on. I just want to create this video sharply, quickly. Alright, this is me coming live next year, 2024. All forex beginner analysts, what you should know all over the world. Okay, wherever you are, you need to build your monthly resistance. Okay, so this is a resistance here, and this is a monthly support band. Alright, monthly and resistance band, because that is where the market starts from. So you need, as a beginner analyst, because before you must graduate from an analyst to become a trader, I mean before you can become a trader, you must be an analyst. Okay, so a good analyst also determines if you can become a good trader. So right now, as you guys can see here, I've already built my monthly resistance band area. It is not a line, it is an area. So in order for me to build this area, what I do is I take this rectangle box. So what I just do is I just do this stuff, you know, like this, and expand it. All right. But now one good thing that I want you guys to take note is you can see me spotting multiple areas, touches, right? Multiple touches. This one too, resistant and resistant, right? And here, this was the first time the market came to support, and this place too. Okay, so long term I'm expecting price to fall down to this area, monthly support band area. All right guys, so this is how the market operates. So now you guys can see clearly how I put the bands. Okay, this line here and this line here represent the band area, and you can see that I put this line on top of the on top of the candle body. Okay, while I extend this other part to this area. Okay, so I captured the body of this week, because we can see that this was when the market came to this support area back in time. It went up respecting this area, okay, and came down, bam, respecting this area also back in time. So I did not just capture the week, I captured the body, and I captured the week. Now, why I decide to extend this level, okay, why I decide to extend this level, okay, from here, right, to this area, it is because previously we already have candles, you know, crossing that area all the way to the upside. So I just decide to, you can decide to do your own in that way too if you want. So just to capture everything, you understand, capture everything. But most importantly, you must make sure that the very, very resistant and support area, you must capture the body of the candle, because in the future the market can decide to come all the way up and fail, okay, the market can decide to come all the way down, fail to go inside before started pushing. It can just touch this level and started going up, and you are going to be wondering, this market is still supposed to go down to make, you know, support monthly band, just like Javan FX said. But I'm teaching you guys right now so that you can know how you can draw your monthly support and resistance bands on the monthly time frame, because the business deal, export and import between Australia and Canada, okay, this deal, the data that we are trying to study and understand and make money from, okay, is between these bands, okay, long term. So this is where they establish their trade agreements, these two countries. All right, so the data foreign currency fluctuation is what we are seeing, and that is what we are trying to study to make money from. All right, guys, so as you can see right here right now, long term, so this was the first time price came to this monthly support. It went to resistance, it rejected back to support, maintaining this level of support, and finally went all the way up back, maintaining this level of resistance, and came, now it's coming down. It came almost towards the down area but refuses to touch the support level, went up back. So long term, we are still expecting price to come down to this area long term, or maybe towards this line here. It's an area before it started pushing up. All right, so in my own opinion, from what I have studied and learned, okay, monthly buyers, long-term view, for me, is going to be down. All right, guys, so this is my own opinion when it comes to the monthly market structure. Okay, the long-term view for me is down. Yeah, price must fall to the downside. That is my own take on this one. All right, so if you're talking about market structure, okay, the foundation of forex market, this is how you should start. Forex beginner analysts around the world, this is how you start. You must first of all build the monthly resistance band, which is an area, and build the monthly support band, which is an area. And that I'm going to be writing right, let me write it down right here. So it's going to be monthly, okay, monthly support, monthly support band area, okay. So monthly support band area. So I'm going to change that color to green, or let me change it to blue so that you guys can see it. So blue, all right. And I'm going to draw also, this is going to be monthly resistance, monthly resistance band area. All right, and this color is going to be red. Let me make it black. All right, so, okay, it's an area, and the monthly support resistance band area are stronger. Okay, it's stronger than the market structure, it's stronger than the short-term trend. All right, so you want to take that to heart as you are going to be viewing this this lesson from Javan FS right here on the YouTube. All right, guys, so starting from the very moment you are going to set your eyes on this live stream, okay, or this recorded stream, whatever, from that very day you want to go back to your chart. Okay, go back to your chart from the monthly time frame and start from that very day, start to build the monthly support and resistance band. Okay, And if you look at it very well, you guys will see that this is a huge consolidation, right, on the monthly chart. And on the smaller time frame, we try to understand it, anticipate the movement long term, and trade accordingly. Now, another thing I want to share with you guys is that as a forex beginner analyst, okay, we always want to trade in alignment. What do I mean? So if we are buying, or if we are looking for anything to do on the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart, for example, okay, it will make a lot of sense, okay, a lot of sense, okay, if we look for an opportunity to sell the market to the downside. Why? That will be a higher probability trade for us, okay, especially once we are trading in the correct way. Okay, it would be us trading in alignment, because as far as beginner analysts, we want to look for alignment. Okay, alignment. What do I mean by alignment? That means we want to be trading in the direction of the monthly bands. Okay, remember what I said earlier on? The monthly bands are stronger. So from whatever time frame we are trading, we want to make sure that we are trading in the direction of the monthly bands. So since we know from the monthly time frame, okay, AUD card, that the monthly band, the direction long-term view is down, okay, the market needs to go down, down, down. In my own opinion, okay, there's no right or wrong. You can accept what this information I'm sharing with you guys. You can decide to, knock it out. This guy, J Van FX, who is this guy? Where did he come from? You understand, guys? You can just decide to knock it out. No problem. There's no right or wrong, okay? No offense, okay? We are just trying to help, okay? I'm trying to help, okay, guys? So no offense. If you don't want to accept it, no problem. If you want to accept it, be my guest, okay? All right. So this is the way it goes, okay? Let me change this color to be, and we didn't talk about the trend line yet, okay? I'm going to be teaching about the trend line, all right, so that you guys will know how to draw a trend line properly, okay? I'm sharing this course with Forex Beginner Analysts. I'm sharing it with those who really want to take this business seriously and learn the foundation, okay, of this business and make proper use of it to help themselves, okay, coming 2024. All right, and also it can also help some of you that have been in this business for like 4, 5 years, 6 years, okay, and you are still pushing, you don't want to give up, which is good. All right, it's going to help you too if you follow through. All right, guys, so this is what I have to share with you guys. All right, we're going to be talking about trend lines in the nearest future, okay, but for now I'm only saying, if for example you want to look for an opportunity to do whatever you want to do, buy or sell, the best and higher probability, okay, where you can win more 7 times out of 10, is better you trade in the direction of what? The monthly band. And as I've just shown right now, the monthly band direction long-term view is down. So the market is coming all the way from the monthly resistance band. It's supposed to fall down to the support monthly band long term. But right now we can see on the 1 hour chart, we can see how the market is behaving. So some of us that are smart, long time ago, we would have captured this peak, okay, would have captured this trade and make money from this back in time when the market was going up. And now the market is here, okay, the market is refusing to make a new high. And what does that mean? It means that hopefully a reversal is about to approach, okay, a reversal is about to approach. So if we look at the market structure, extension retracement, or in another vocabulary we can say impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. All right, so if this is going to be an impulse, this market needs to go further to the upside. If not, then this is where a lot of traders all over the world, okay, make pips and give it back to the market. All right, because you don't know what is happening on the higher time frame, and we are supposed to be checking the higher time frame. All right, guys. Okay, so in my own opinion, I will be looking right now. I'm staying out on this pair. Okay, I'm staying out. I'll be looking for opportunity to sell the market when the opportunity shows itself. Now, previously, if we look at the market here, okay, let's say this is where we are right now. Let's forget about this movement right now. The short-term trend previously, so we have market structure to the upside, then we have the short-term trend. So the short-term trend is up. We have higher highs, we have higher lows here, higher highs here. Okay, we have higher lows here, we have higher high. Okay, yes, we have a higher high here, and we have a higher low here. And let's look at this one too. Now we have a higher high here. All right, guys, so I'm going to change this color to yellow. All right, that's the short-term trend. Okay, back in time, the short-term trend was up, the market structure too was up, and still up. The market structure is still up, and later on we saw price started making lower lows here, lower high, and lower lows here, lower high, and lower lows, right? And I'm going to change this color to black. All right, so that's the short-term downtrend. Now what happened again? The market started making a new higher high, new higher low, new higher high, new higher low. And let's look at do we have a high here? Yes, we have a high here, we have a low here, we have another higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and we have a lower low, and market started making another higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, and now we are here. All right, so in my own opinion, I'm seeing the market trying to fall to the downside. Okay, so this is where forex beginner analysts make little peep and we give it back to the market. All right, so I'm focusing on a sell. Okay, now before the sell is going to approach, all right, before the sell is going to show up, I was actually meant to change the color, not to delete it. Let's lose sky blue. All right, now before the market is going to change the direction of this short-term uptrend, okay, it must break a higher low. So let's say, for example, I'm going to consider this as a, let me say, let's take it again. Let's take it again. Higher highs, higher low, higher high. Okay, yes, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. And because we have a new low here, so we are going to extend this. We're not going to consider this low and this high. We're going to just extend this like this, higher high and higher low. Okay, higher low here and higher high, and we are here. Let me see something briefly. I think it's not necessary for us to consider this low also. Yeah, it's not necessary because the market, this low here broke this low here. So what we're going to do, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, and it's going to be higher high, higher low, okay, higher high, and this is where we are, and the market is in between here right now. Okay, so before I can consider a proper selling in this market, I need this low, this higher low here, to be taken out in this short-term uptrend. All right, guys, because previously the short-term trend was down, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and now the market broke this high here, this lower high. You know what that means? Okay, it means we are no longer in a downtrend anymore when we have this short-term uptrend here. Okay, when we have this short-term uptrend, okay, automatically this short-term downtrend is no longer valid anymore. So therefore, all right, so therefore this is the confirmed short-term uptrend that we have. All right, now excuse me, so before I can sell this market, I need this low to be taken out, not this one, rather this low. Okay, because this was the higher highs, higher low, higher high. So this is the previous higher low right here. Okay, So I need this low to be taken out. For example, I need price to come down, all right, make a new low, terminate this low, okay, and price is going to do what? Hopefully drop down a little bit, and it's going to push up a little bit, all right. That is what it's going to do. Test the level of past resistance, that is if the market breaks to the downside. And what I'm going to do is just hold on, trade the market with what? With a counter trend line, all right. So once the market comes down in the nearest future, all right, once the market comes down in the nearest future, break the counter trend line, and me as a smart guy, okay, what do? I'm going to sell the market right here, all right. Yeah, that blue circle, I'm going to sell the market once the market close body candle below that blue counter trend line, all right. I'm going to start trading. Stop loss is going to go here, and I'm going to risk 142 risk reward ratio, and that is how I'm going to trade the market. So that is what I'm waiting for, all right. All of this stuff is what I'm going to teach you guys right here on YouTube, forex trader or forex beginner analyst around the world, all right. But first of all, you guys, all of us, we need to learn that the first thing we need to do is first build the monthly resistance and support band area, okay. Once we are done with that, then we'll move to the next level, learning about highs and lows, because this is the foundation of the forex business that you hopefully you have not been taught. And without these informations, without this knowledge, without this skill, proper foundation, believe me, we as forex beginner analysts, we are absolutely going nowhere. Believe me, guys. What I'm going to be unfolding for you guys in the next coming months is going to be a shocking thing to you. Yes, many of you might have seen some of the things I'll be sharing with you is going to be no big deal to you. But believe me, you are going to be seeing something a little bit different from the way you are analyzing the chart, or something different from what you know already. And believe me, if you implement it, okay, if you implement it to your trading, you're going to see a huge change, okay. You're going to see it's a promise I'm promising you. Facts, yes, a fact, okay. I'm not here to tell you fairy tales. I'm here to tell you reality. You know what is called reality? Yeah, it's what I'm here to tell you. J-Man FX right here on YouTube is here to share with you guys reality, all right. And we are going to be trading on real life, okay. As smart guys that we are going to be trading on the demo account, okay. Trading on the demo account, back testing what we are studying to see if what we are studying it is true or false, okay. The results will show if we have learned something or if we have not learned anything. We are going to see in the near future, all right. So let us take our time and build all the currency, okay, all the currency pairs, monthly support and resistance band. As you guys can see here, AUD CHF already built the bands, all right. So you guys want to build the bands too, okay. You guys can see AUD JPY already built that. I was actually giving a class on trade on another platform, so I was using this. So I was, already built the bands already, okay. So I was already started the class with some people in another platform, all right. That's why you saw all the monthly support resistance band already on ground, because I've already built it with these viewers, all right. Okay, so right now you are seeing built already, so you guys want to do the same, okay. Hopefully this education, this knowledge, this information is going to be beneficial to you guys, and you guys can make use of it. This is NZD CHF. I did not build yet, so quickly let me do this so you guys can see with your eyes what I'm doing, all right. So this is going to be the monthly, as you guys can see, rectangle. Okay, the rectangle boss, right? That's the name, right? Yeah, rectangle. So this is what I do, all right. So now Okay, I like to just do this stuff decoration, don't mind me guys. So let us build. So I'm thinking of where to capture, right? So the market came down here, so this is the body of the candle. I might decide to shift it a little bit higher to capture this week. Okay, it's my choice. All right, but I always make sure I capture the body candle. All right, and now this is going to go for the resistance. Okay, so I'm going to lock it. So when you are done, you always want to make sure you lock. Okay, so you don't mistakenly shift. All right, you don't mistakenly shift it, and you keep wondering where is the support band supposed to be, where is the resistance band area supposed to be. All right, so you always make sure you lock it. I'm going to change this color to the roof, so I like to leave it at red. And now I'm going to use this. Previously, back in time it was this area. Okay, this was the resistant support back in time. But later on, the contract business, export and import between New Zealand and Swiss franc, that is Switzerland, I think they broke their contract. Okay, whenever that happened, you are going to see price cross the support band and started pushing to the downside further. And if the market goes all the way to find another level of support, that means they broke contract. That's why that happened. But for a strange reason, if the Swiss franc is becoming so expensive, price is going to cross the monthly band area. It's going to be pushing down until the central bank, of that country came in to intervene. Then price is going to start pushing up back. All right. Then the trade agreement between these two countries is going to be stable, from monthly resistance band and monthly support band area in between. So back in time, that is what we have right here. Okay, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and at this level, they did it for a period of time right here, like this. Then finally, they broke contract until all the way to this level right now. And this is where we have, the new support. So this area is no longer going to be the monthly support band area anymore. All right, so now let's quickly adjust this one. Okay, so I'm just going to take so what I'm going to do is move this to the upside here, so you guys can see I'm taking the body of this candle here, right, because it was a resistance, and I'm also taking part of this side. I can decide to do it like this if I want, because it's part of it. I can decide to do that, but I just decide to let me just stay in this way. All right, so this area is important. So in the nearest future, the market can decide to come all the way here. It can decide to push up, go up a little bit and started falling again, just like what we have on a CHF JPY. If you check CHF JPY, it is something similar like that. All right, so this is it right now. This is the monthly resistance band here. All right, monthly resistance band. Quickly, these dogs don't bark, please. Monthly resistance bands. All right, resistance band area. All right, so this is going to serve as what? Monthly support band area here. Monthly support band area. All right, it's gonna be blue. Okay guys, so that's it right there. Okay, so you want to build your monthly support resistance band and trade in the direction of the bands. Okay, so for me, long-term view on this one is going to be when the market is ready, I want to see price push all the way to the upside. Yeah, it's going to happen when it's ready. It's going to happen. We're going to see it happen. All right guys, hopefully this is helpful for you guys. All right, So you guys want to take time and watch it, build your monthly support resistance band. Hopefully in the coming months ahead, we're going to be having more lessons where I have a lot of lessons to share with you guys you cannot imagine. All right, stay tuned and stay put with me. Subscribe to my channel so that when I'm coming live, you get the notification and you can join us in the class. All right, you have a wonderful holiday. See you hopefully very soon. And from me to you, it is bye bye. I remain your humble Javan FX right here on YouTube. For now, it is bye bye.